Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you love backpacking or camping and want a fast, reliable way to cook on the trail, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best Jetboil and backpacking stove systems, carefully chosen for their efficiency, portability, durability, and real user feedback. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links to all the products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Number 1. Jetboil MiniMo Cooking System. The Jetboil MiniMo Cooking System is a compact powerhouse built for serious backpackers who want performance without the bulk. Using Jetboil's flux ring technology, the MiniMo brings water to a rolling boil in just over 2 minutes while using about half the fuel of conventional stoves. That efficiency means fewer fuel canisters and less pack weight on long treks. What really makes the MiniMo stand out is its precision control. Thanks to Jetboil's proprietary pressure regulator, you can switch from a gentle simmer to a full boil with ease. Perfect for more than just dehydrated meals. You can sauté, simmer, or even melt snow for water. The redesigned flux ring cooking cup has a lower profile, so you can eat directly from it without awkward angles. It also features metal handles for durability, and the push-button igniter ensures a reliable spark in all conditions, even in cold weather or high altitude. When it's time to pack up, the burner and fuel canister store sideways inside the cup, saving space and keeping your gear organized. Users love its fast boil times, stable design, and ability to cook actual meals rather than just boil water. Many appreciate the improved handle placement and say the adjustable flame works great for delicate dishes. Some note that it's a bit pricier than entry-level models, but nearly all agree it's worth every penny for its reliability and control. Number 2. Jetboil Flash Ignition Model. Next up, the Jetboil Flash Ignition Model, one of the fastest and most convenient personal cooking systems Jetboil offers. This model is all about speed and simplicity, designed to get your water boiling in about 2 minutes flat. The auto ignition system lights instantly with a quick turn-and-click motion, so there's no need for matches or a lighter. Its stainless steel burner delivers steady, even heat, and the color-changing heat indicator on the insulating cozy shows when the water is ready. A clever touch for those who don't want to guess. Jetboil's upgraded Safe Touch zones stay cool while operating, making the flash easy to handle even when the pot's hot. The improved 3-point locking system keeps the cookpot firmly attached to the burner, minimizing spills on uneven ground. Everything packs neatly inside the 1-liter cooking cup, including the burner, lid, stabilizer, and a 100-gram jet power fuel canister. The bottom cap even doubles as a measuring cup or bowl, saving space in your pack. They love the set-it-and-forget-it ignition and quick performance. Reviewers mention it's perfect for making coffee, tea, or rehydrated meals on cold mornings. Many note how reliable it is in windy or chilly conditions. A few mention the boil speed can cause slight bubbling over if left unattended, but overall it's a trail favorite for simplicity and speed. Number 3. Jetboil Zip Stove System. The Jetboil Zip Stove System delivers Jetboil performance in a more minimalist, budget-friendly package. It's designed for hikers who want reliability and efficiency without the bells and whistles of premium models. This system uses a simple manual ignition. Just light it with a match or lighter and you'll have boiling water in about 2 minutes. It still uses Jetboil's flux ring technology, so you get the same rapid boil and fuel efficiency Jetboil is known for. The Safe Touch insulation sleeve keeps your hands comfortable, and the 3-point locking system ensures the pod stays stable even on rough terrain. The 0.8-liter cook cup fits the entire stove setup and a 100-gram fuel canister, while the bottom cover doubles as a small measuring cup or bowl. Compact and weighing less than a pound, the Zip is ideal for solo hikers, ultralight backpackers, or anyone who wants hot meals and drinks without carrying extra weight. The Zip gets high marks for reliability and simplicity. Reviewers love how quickly it heats water even at altitude and how neatly it packs away. Some mention that the lack of auto ignition isn't a big deal since it still performs flawlessly with a lighter. Number 4. Jetboil Silicone Collapsible Stove. Coming in fourth, the Jetboil Silicone Collapsible Stove is perfect for hikers who want modern innovation and portability in one. It combines Jetboil's signature performance with a collapsible design that packs down small while maintaining excellent cooking power. Featuring one-step auto ignition, it lights instantly with a twist of the control knob. No matches required. The safe touch zones, highlighted in color-coded silicone, remain cool during use, while the 3-point lock and visual alignment indicators ensure your cooking pot is securely attached. Boiling 16 ounces of water takes just 2 minutes, and the included silicone French press lets coffee lovers enjoy fresh brews right on the trail. A small luxury that makes mornings outdoors much better. Everything, stove, coffee press, and fuel canister, fits neatly inside the 1-liter cook cup. The bottom lid doubles as a bowl or measuring cup, maintaining Jetboil's trademark space efficiency. Lightweight, weather-resistant, and designed for quick packing, it's ideal for minimalists who still appreciate a touch of comfort. Users rave about its collapsible design and coffee-friendly setup. Many appreciate how compact it is compared to other Jetboil models. Some mention the silicone components can get dusty in storage, but agree it's a fantastic all-in-one kit for lightweight adventurers. Number 5. Fire Maple Personal Ultralight Stove. Finally, the Fire Maple Personal Ultralight Stove, a top contender that rivals Jetboil's performance while keeping things incredibly light and efficient. Known for its heat exchange technology, it reduces boil times by up to 30% compared to standard stoves and performs impressively well in windy conditions. Everything, the burner, pot, and even a small fuel canister, nests together inside the 1-liter cooking pot for ultra-compact packing. Weighing only 18 ounces, it's perfect for thru-hikers and minimalist travelers who count every gram. The piezoelectric igniter provides reliable one-click ignition, while the hard anodized aluminum pot is both durable and lightweight. The stainless steel handle locks securely in place for safe handling, and the neoprene insulation sleeve keeps meals hot longer while protecting your hands. The Fire Maple system works with most isobutane fuel canisters, except Coleman models, and pairs best with a small windscreen for optimal performance. Outdoor enthusiasts love its compact form factor, sturdy build, and efficient fuel use. Many note how quickly it boils water, even in wind or cold. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best Jetboil and backpacking stove systems. Each of these options brings something unique, whether it's the MiniMo's precise simmer control, the Flash's lightning speed, or the Fire Maple's ultralight efficiency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more outdoor gear guides, reviews, and recommendations. Thanks for watching Tech Talk Reviews. See you in the next one.